Good morning, guys. Hello. Let me turn on these lights for you so you can see my face a little clearer. Look, this is what's happening. I've made this abundantly clear again. We are not going to make it past this pink line. And if we do, it's going to be a temporary up and come down. And we're going to go sliding past this blue and then deep into the red. Deep into the red. We might even go down to the 300 week, which is down here somewhere. A wick. The reason is we've closed below the 50 week. I've said this so many times. Wow. I just feel like I need to keep repeating it because no one's listening. I mean, literally no one's listening. The problem is, if we buy in right here, it's very likely that we continue to slide for some time, and then we slip off, and then we make this big rally back up. That is how I think this is going to work, and we have to be careful about that. We have to be aware of that. If we're not aware of that, we're going to run into problems. This is a massive line of resistance, essentially, right? And it's normally that when this thing turns over is when we start seeing real action. So I would expect this to happen in the next couple of sessions. Like I wouldn't think this should take months, but let's see. I mean, it would be wild if this didn't play out too. I suppose that's also reasonable because even these tops did not play out like how they were supposed to. Right, these were supposed to go up to like 100K or whatever to really make the double or quadruple X that we were expecting, but that didn't pan out. So I don't know. I'm actually pretty unsure, and it's a nerve-wracking spot because I have crypto cash sitting around on the side waiting to make my positions, but I haven't put my positions in yet because I genuinely think that we're gonna go down to the 200 week, but. You know, how do we tell? The other thing to look for is this bull market support band, right? And this bull market support band is currently up at, the bottom of it is at 43,600, and the top of it is at 46,300. So this is also another thing that resists us, right? And it's going to start coming down pretty harsh because we've taken out this area. We're not including this area as part of the average. So it's probably going to start going down like this. Like, actually sharper than that, probably. It's probably going to start go like this, right? We can expect some sharper stuff. And that's going to put further pressure down on this thing, on the Bitcoin price. So it's a real waiting game, but boy, it's getting tough. Waiting is tough. Because you really don't know what the next move is. And these kind of things trip me out for sure. But... You know, I'm hoping we come to a resolution relatively soon because it's stressful just waiting. But let's wait and see, I suppose, right? We just wait and see. Let's catch up again tomorrow.